Hi, my name is Jason Bedsworth and I'm with the CFS Consulting Group. And oftentimes we get the question, well, what is a data connector? Before I answer that, I want to provide the context for how data connectors work within a credit union. Oftentimes a credit union will have a core banking system, manages a good portion of the business, and there may be a data warehouse that receives information from that core banking system upon which they do reporting and analytics. And there may be an application they have or software that they use for that. What CFS does is it brings in data from many of the important third-party systems that surround that core system, be that mortgage servicing, loan origination, credit card servicing, and a variety of other systems from digital banking, accounting, collections, among the list. And that allows you to build better operational reports that are more complete, and it allows you to get deeper insights into the members because you have a more complete enterprise level data warehouse that includes all of the important systems. And it allows you to share that with many, many other credit unions as well as applications that you may run to operate the business. Now, you can always look at our website to see all of the data connectors that are available. But in answer to the original question, what's included in a single data connector? Well, there's a connection to the third-party system that allows you to mine data into your on-premise data warehouse from that third party. And then we build an operational representation of that data in your database, in your data warehouse, and we model that to make it easier for analytics and casual users. Finally, we provide sample reports and analytic dashboards for both operational and strategic usage of the data, and we provide documentation and support so that you can build your own reports and analytics off this new data set that you've integrated. So let's use Meridian Link as an example. Many credit unions utilize Meridian Link for account and loan origination, and there's a utility that they provide that allows you to grab all of the account and loan applications each night as an XML file for each one. And what CFS Connectors does is it consolidates all of those XML files, which are quite complex, into something much simpler that can be loaded and transformed into the data warehouse. And once that's done, then that information is available for you daily, and it's historical. Now, once that information is available in there, you then have sample reports where you can look at trends on that your loan applications. There are also the ability to get to dashboards, for example. So CFS supports two types of dashboards, one in typical Spotfire, as well as within Power BI. So you can see that you have many interactive dashboards to help you with the insights. There are also dashboards available in Power BI off each connector, and you can see the ability to interact in both sets of tools. And then finally, a data dictionary for you to be able to understand the information that's now available with full source to target information, and where available, business descriptions on each of the tables that have been added and are updated on a daily basis. And then finally, we help monitor our customers for the success or failure of loading their warehouses. So when exceptional conditions occur, we can see which clients need our attention or need notice that something needs to be addressed. If you have more questions on this, please contact Terry Martin at the contact information below. And I thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great conference.